Hi, today we're going to show you how to utilize the newest feature of the ModSolar platform. As you can see, in the top right hand corner there's a new feature labeled Proposal Settings. This accordion style feature is present during every step, giving you access to proposal details throughout the entire proposal process. It allows you to alter and reference data entries more easily, reducing mistakes and eliminating the process of returning to step 1 to make a simple edit. In addition, you can jump from page to page by using the hyperlink navigation located at the top of the page. The Proposal Settings feature will first appear on the Name, Address, and Usage page as an orange bar in the top right-hand corner. To expand the proposal settings, simply click on the bar. Once expanded, it should look like this. The gray labels indicate the settings that you cannot access, and the orange labels represent the ones that you can. The X collapses the proposal settings accordion, and the push pin will keep it expanded from page to page when selected. As you move from page to page, the proposal settings feature will expand the label that pertains to that specific step. You will be able to interact with the proposal settings more and more as the proposal process progresses. At this point, on the Map the Systems page, if you want to change current usage or utility rates data values that you have already entered, you can. Simply click on the label to expand its selection and make your edits. First, we're going to draw the array on the house and then access more proposal details in the accordion. Use the arrows to move the entire array and the curved arrows to rotate it. If you're familiar with the platform, then you will notice that at this step, the sloped roof, flat roof, ground mount, and total DC watt options that were once located in the top banner of the page are now located under Regions in the Proposal Settings accordion. To access the square up, snap azimuth, and apply setback settings, simply click on the arrow next to Region 1 to expand the category. Here you'll be able to alter the slope, adjust the area and azimuth, and apply setbacks. Apply setbacks is a new feature on the platform that allows you to insert setbacks for the panels on all 4 edges. To do so, select Apply Setbacks, and the setback fields will automatically default to 2 feet, which is the minimum value. The edge number is located on the array. Edge 1 here, edge 2 here, and so on. Use the arrows to increase or decrease the number to your desired value. Before we move on, I want to point out the shading label. This option used to be located within the Change button on the Preview Proposal stage. Now you can add shading much earlier in the process to see how the shading values impact the solar production. The shading value is automatically set at 100%, meaning there is no shading for the property. If you want to change the shading, you can either enter the yearly shading percentage or enter monthly percentages. Similar to the previous step, on the Layout panel stage, you will see that all the proposal settings that were once located at the top banner are now located in the Proposal Settings accordion. If you select Flat Roof or Ground Mount, you will be able to set the panel tilt. In addition, if you scroll down, you will see the option to auto-calculate inner row shadows. When you select it, make sure you click on Rerun Layouts to recalculate the production. The text will turn red, alerting you that you will need to click the Rerun Layouts. Then you can see that it inserts the calculations under panel spacing. You can also find the See-Through Panels button in the Proposal Settings accordion. Click on the box to make the panels clear, allowing the picture to reveal any obstructions like a chimney. To remove a panel, simply click on it. It will turn red and produce a pop-up. You can either delete the one panel or continue to select more panels, then select Delete. When you continue on to the Incentives and Finance page, the accordion will appear as a bar like it originally did on the Name, Address, and Usage page, unless it is pinned. Again, simply click on the bar to expand the accordion. I want to point out that the regions and panel layout labels do not expand in the accordion. If you select either of these labels, you will be taken back to their original pages. Again, simply click on the bar, simply use the hyperlinks at the top of the page to return to the page that you were on. Now let's take a look at the proposal. Okay, on the Preview Proposals page, the Accordion contains all the same features that were located under the Change button. What used to be under the General tab is now located under the Proposals Detail label. For example, you can change the proposal template or the installation schedules. The old Production and Shading tab has been broken out into two separate sections. And lastly, the Utility Rates tab is still called Utility Rates. That's it. It's that simple. Thanks for your time and enjoy the new features and functionality.